Carpenter bees are a common nuisance for homeowners. But did you know there are natural ways to get rid of them? This video will enlighten you on how to eliminate carpenter bees naturally, using ingredients you probably already have at home. So watch the video and learn how to keep your home bee-free. Carpenter bees are one of the most common types of bees in North America. They get their name from their ability to drill perfectly round holes into wood, where they create their nests and lay eggs. Carpenter bees are important pollinators but can also be a nuisance if they nest near your home. Carpenter bees are large, black, blue and yellow bees that are often mistaken for bumblebees. They are about 3/4 of an inch to an inch long and have a shiny, black abdomen. Unlike other bee species, carpenter bees do not have any hair on their abdomen, making them look smooth and bald. These bees are not aggressive and will not sting humans unless provoked. Despite their large size, carpenter bees are gentle creatures that pose no threat to humans unless they feel threatened. If you see a carpenter bee hovering near your home, there's no need to panic. These bees are more likely to be interested in the wood of your house than you. Here are the best natural ways to eliminate these bees. 1. Peppermint oil. Carpenter bees are a common problem for many homeowners, but there is a natural way to get rid of them. Peppermint oil is a natural insecticide effective against bees. The oil's strong scent confuses the bees and prevents them from finding their way back to their nests. In addition, peppermint oil is effective in killing carpenter bees. When the bees come into contact with the oil, they will die instantly. To use peppermint oil, apply a few drops to a cotton ball and wipe it onto the surface of your home where the bees are nesting. You can add a few drops to a spray bottle filled with water and mist the area. Ensure you check back regularly and reapply the peppermint oil as needed. With regular treatment, you'll eventually see fewer and fewer bees around your home. The bees will be gone in no time. Not only is peppermint oil effective against carpenter bees, but it is also safe for humans and pets. So if you're looking for a natural way to get rid of carpenter bees, look no further than peppermint oil. 2. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a versatile spice prevalent in sweet and savory dishes alike. It has a long history of use in traditional medicine and is known for its many health benefits. But did you know that cinnamon can repel and kill bees? It is a natural insecticide that can eliminate bees from your home in no time. The spice contains eugenol, a poisonous substance to these insects. When mixed with water, you can use a cinnamon spray to kill bees on contact. Try sprinkling cinnamon around their entry points. The potent smell will deter them from entering your home. You can also place cinnamon sticks in vases or bowls around your house to keep bees away. 3. Tarping. Carpenter bees are a common problem for many homeowners because they create unsightly holes in wood and can cause damage to your home. One way to get rid of carpenter bees is to use a tarp. Tarping is the process of covering an area with tarps or plastic sheeting. The sheet or tarp will create a barrier that bees cannot penetrate. Seal all edges of the tarp so the bees cannot get under it. You can place tarps over the areas where the bees are active. This material will prevent the bees from getting out of the hive and can eventually kill them. Also, it can lock them out and send them packing. Tarping is a great way to get rid of carpenter bees because it is non-toxic and does not involve harsh chemicals. It is also safe for humans and animals. This method will protect your home from further damage from these pests. 4. Vinegar. Another effective method to get rid of bees is vinegar. All you need is some vinegar and a spray bottle. Vinegar will suffocate the bees and disrupt their digestive system when they come in contact with it. To make a vinegar solution, mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle. Spray the solution on areas where carpenter bees are active, such as wooden surfaces, eaves, and soffits. The vinegar will repel the bees and discourage them from coming back. Reapply the solution every few days until the bees are gone. 5. Mothballs. Mothballs may seem like an old-fashioned way to eliminate carpenter bees, but they're quite effective. The pungent smell of mothballs will deter the bees from entering your home and send them packing. Here's how to use them. Place mothballs in a small bowl or bag. Hang the container or bag near the area where you've seen the carpenter bees. You can place it near the entrance of the bee's nest. Check the bowl or bag regularly and replace the mothballs as needed. Once you no longer see any carpenter bees, remove the mothballs and dispose of them properly. 6. Cucumber peels. One way to get rid of carpenter bees is to use cucumber peels. Cucumbers contain a chemical called cucurbitacin, which is toxic to bees. To use cucumber peels as a natural insecticide, place or hang them around the area where the bees are nesting. The bees will avoid this area and die if they come too close. This method is safe and effective, but it may take a few days for the bees to evacuate your home. 7. Repelling plants. One natural way to get rid of bees is by cultivating plants that repel these insects. Plants like lavender, eucalyptus, citronella, and lemongrass can help keep carpenter bees away. Lavender is an excellent option you can plant around your home perimeter because its fragrant flower emits a scent that deters carpenter bees. Another option is eucalyptus trees. The strong smell of eucalyptus leaves will also keep carpenter bees away from your home. It's crucial to plant them in strategic locations to maximize the effectiveness of these repelling plants. Placing them near doors and windows will help create a barrier that carpenter bees cannot penetrate. 8. Crushed garlic. While we have various chemical repellents on the market, many homeowners prefer to use natural methods to get rid of pests. Crushed garlic is one of the most effective natural repellents for carpenter bees. To use garlic as a pesticide, crush a few cloves and sprinkle them around the areas where you've seen carpenter bees. You can also sprinkle it around your home or your home's perimeter. The strong smell of the garlic will keep the bees away. Another way to use it is to place garlic cloves in the holes created by carpenter bees. You may need to reapply every few days. This method is safe and effective, but it may take a few days to see results. If you're looking for a more immediate solution, you can combine crushed garlic and dish soap. This mixture will kill carpenter bees on contact. To conclude, carpenter bees can be a nuisance, but there are ways to eliminate them without using harmful chemicals. In addition, you can prevent them from coming back by painting or staining the wood on your home and keeping it in good repair. If you have carpenter bees on your property, act fast to exterminate them before they cause any more damage. With little patience, you can get rid of carpenter bees in no time. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to get rid of household pests with apple cider vinegar. Thanks for watching and bye for now.